Lesson 10. This one's gonna be pretty easy. All the mini projects, I'm gonna do it the whole way through. So for the lessons, y'all, I'm gonna do some of it so you understand it, but y'all can get the rest done. Everybody's not having a problem with them. Good job. But on the mini projects, I'm doing the whole thing through, so we don't have to. You don't worry about missing any steps. So in this mini project, we already see that we saw this before, where you have the Neptune and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and build our own one. We'll build our own project. So they're gonna walk us through this. So the first thing they want us to do is go ahead and get our background. So we get our background. Just give it any color for this one. This right here is, you can figure out the one you want yourself. If you want, we're not gonna add any shapes to this one. So let's just keep this simple. The next thing they want you to do after this is they want you to go ahead and add your, basically your sprites. So we're gonna add 2 sprites on this one. All right. Once we get our sprites, let's go to animation and grab those. Let's just keep it simple. We got some furry friends today. Let's do a B, and let's get one more. It don't matter what it is. Oh, cool. Boom. Let's do a cat. B and a cat. They kind of go together. All right. All right. Boom. So we got our B. We got our cat. All right. Let's go ahead and set these animations. So we call this one B, call this one cat. Now, for time purposes, you can call it B, like you can spell it out. I'm gonna put B, I'm gonna put C for cat, just so I don't have to worry about trying to go through this process. After that, obviously you're not gonna see them because you're gonna get this thing called draw. So let's draw sprites. All right, now that we have them, they're here. Now we did learn some other lessons that we have to like get the location where it needs to be at. So let's put this at 300. Let's take this B, actually, let's switch them. Let's put this at 300 and then get our cat and put it at 100 because it looks like it's already facing that way. All right, reset it. And let's get our, we don't need it for the B, but we need it for the cat. So let's scale this baby down a lot, 0.5. All right, good. And it's, right now, we'll leave it that way. But if you want to know how to drop it, your cat, just put it at 300. I mean, it'll drop it down. Boom, there you go. All right, next, hit finish. All right, on this one right here, they want us to add a text to this, right? So we already know how to do that. Let's go ahead and get our drawing. Let's go down to our text. Now you need 2 things on here. Get a text size, because we gotta make it big, obviously, right? And then the last thing is we need our text. So, boom, text size. Now let's do 60. All right, and we want to put this in the middle. So let's do 200 on our, as you can see up there, 200, and let's drop it down to 100. So 200, and we'll put our Y at 100. All right, and we're gonna say hello. Let's just keep it simple, because who doesn't want to say hello to somebody? All right, let's run it. Boom, looking nice. Let's bring it over a little bit so it can be in the middle. Let's do 150, because again, it's gonna get it from this corner. So let's rerun it. Beautiful job. I like that one. All right. If you want to change the color, you can. You don't have to. But if you do want to change the color, let's just do that right quick as well. So boom, let's make it yellow. And then boom, there you go. That's beautiful. All right, next, what they want to do after that. All right, in this one right here, so just so you can see it, your teacher's going to make you do this. So when you look at your scene, right, basically they want you to draw a scene. After that, they want you to go ahead and actually make it, right? We can do that. That's a piece of cake. So in this case, we have our 2 sprites. We have our hello, but this can be whatever. If you do plan on actually drawing your own scene or drawing it, you can actually like draw your characters. Like if I want to really draw a character, like we can draw whatever your character's going to be and go from there. I call him, I don't know who he could be. But anyway, you can draw your own character if you want to, that you have drawn on your paper. I mean, make it look how you want to make it look. Get a little mustache. Boom. Now you have your own character. All right. We'll worry about drawing and all that good stuff later on. We're not going to do it on this one. But I just want to make sure that we know how to make a scene like we did today. But again, this one, they don't want you to make a scene. If your teachers want you to actually just create it, then this is just fine. That's all you gotta do for number 10. All right? Later days, thank you for allowing me to serve you.